Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's topic is moisture analyzers. A moisture analyzer is a specialized instrument used to measure the moisture content in a sample. It's commonly used in the pharmaceutical industry to ensure that products meet strict moisture specifications, which are critical for maintaining product quality and stability. Moisture analyzers typically work by heating a sample and measuring the weight loss as moisture evaporates. This process is known as thermogravimetric analysis. The result is displayed as a percentage of moisture content, which is essential for ensuring that products like tablets, powders, and other formulations are within acceptable moisture levels. Let's walk through the basic steps of using a moisture analyzer. First, you'll need to prepare your sample. Make sure it's representative of the batch you're testing. Place the sample on the sample pan, ensuring that it's evenly distributed. Next, close the lid and set the drying parameters on the analyzer. These parameters include the drying temperature and the endpoint criteria, which could be based on time or a stable weight reading. Once everything is set, start the analysis. The analyzer will heat the sample, and as the moisture evaporates, the instrument continuously measures the weight loss. The process continues until the weight stabilizes, indicating that all moisture has been removed. After the analysis is complete, the final moisture content will be displayed on the screen. This data is critical for ensuring that your product is within the required moisture specifications. Let's talk about calibration. Regular calibration of your moisture analyzer is essential to ensure accurate and reliable results. Calibration typically involves using certified reference materials with known moisture content. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for calibration procedures, and make sure to document the results as part of your quality control process. So, why is moisture analysis so important in the pharmaceutical industry? Moisture content can significantly impact the stability, efficacy, and shelf life of pharmaceutical products. Too much moisture can lead to degradation, while too little can affect the product's intended performance. By accurately measuring and controlling moisture content, you help ensure the safety and effectiveness of your products. I hope you found this information helpful. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your colleagues, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.